Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Technofil Lesson. In this video, we're gonna say about data types, numbers, operations, and type conversion and F strings. Okay. In the previous video, I have left a single topic that concatenating of two strings. We can add two strings in Python, like see print hello plus world. Okay, if we run this code, we will get hello world without any space. We can add the space to like a string. See, we are adding a space like a string, hello space world. We can do like, if you are adding two numbers in the double quotes, it will act like a string, not like a normal integer. Now this will reflect like 52, not 7. See here, 52. Let me store these variables in n new variable. Now I will print new now. Let me run this. It will print 52. Let me print that type of new. The type of the new is string, str. The numbers like 5 and 2, the integer variable is saved as an string operation when it is passed through the double quotes. Okay, this is the concept I left in the day 1. I have covered here. Okay, let's go into the day 2. To find a character in the string, we will use a len function like print hello. It will print the hello. If we use the len function here, I am passing into this function. If I print this, oh, I have not erased this hello. Okay, I'm just running. You can see that 5, the HELLO, we have here 5 letters. A len function will show you the number of characters in the string. The hello have 5 characters like HELLO. Okay, what happens if you want to print a len function with numbers? Shall we run this? Okay, if we run, it shows an error. Okay, what the error? The object of the type int has no len functions. If we pass integers in the len function, it will throw an error. Okay, let me cover up in. Okay, now we're gonna see about the data types. I will come back this later. Data types of, there are string data type, integer data type, and float data type, and boolean data type. There are 4 data types in this Python, basic data types. Okay, string you already know, that is passed in the double quotes, and the integers is a numbers, and the float is nothing but like pi value equal to 3.14159, like this. If you want to show, I will show it like a pi equal to 3.14159 and print type of pi. Let me run this. You can see the class float. Okay, this is a float function. The boolean function will say a true or a false. The two things that is possible in the boolean function, that is true or false. If it is true, it will throw an true function, and if it is false, it will throw false. Okay, we can change the data types. How we can change? Like, I will show an example. Like I will pass it an integer in the string function, and new one equal to str 20, like this. Okay, I will print by adding these two things. New one, it gives me 720 instead of printing 27. Why? Before adding this, okay, I will just comment it out. Print the type of new. Now it is an integer class. If I add a str before it will change the class by it. If I add float function before it, then the number changes to float. Now if I print the new, it will be saying 7.0. the number is changed into a float function, like a decimal number. Okay, I am deleting all. This is all about the data types. Next we can see about the mathematical operation. We have addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication and division. Also we have, if we give the double star, it will be exponentially powering up, like 2 power 3, like that. It will be powering off. And the one thing I must show, like if we divide the two numbers, like new equal to 8 by 4, you will know the, definitely you know the answer. It's obviously 2, but here it will print like 2.0. In Python it is default, like when you divide a number that is accurately dividing it, then also it will throw a float number, not the int one. If you want, you can change into int, like new one equal to int of new. I will print new one. Okay, I get 2. If you want, you can change, but the default of division will be in the float. Okay, next a small thing like rounding off. We can round off two numbers by, if I divide this, what to print? No. Okay, if I divide this, I will get 2.6665. okay, I want to round it off. A new one equal to round off. First, what the number you are dividing. I am dividing 8 by 3, then a comma. How many digits you want? How many digits? N number of digits. I need 2 digits. Okay, I need 2 digits. Let me print this. I get 2.67. If we want 3 digits of the decimal, I get 2.667. This is all about the rounding of two numbers. Okay, then a simple thing like a score. If a score equal to 0, then after some looping statement I will be saying in future, when you loop, it continuously adding up the numbers. When we increase the score, it will be automatically increasing. If you want add, I previously said you that if you assign a new value to the score now, it will take the latestly updated value. So if you add like score equal to the old score plus 1, it will be printing. Oh, I'm not printing it. Okay, print score. The value is 1. Here the score value, this score value is 0. I'm adding up 1 and updating to the new value of the score. If I add score equal to score plus 1, again I'm adding. Now the value becomes 2. Here the score value is 1 as updated here, and again I'm adding 1 to it. Now the score value becomes 2. Okay, it can be updated, it can be done by simple terms like score plus equal to 1. What happens? What does it mean? Now becomes 3. 1 2 3. How it came? It is the shortcut of adding the previous number with it. Score equal to score plus 1. For that the shortcut is plus and equal to symbol. Like now I can score minus equal to 3. Now the answer will be definitely 0. Okay, like that any operation you can add, like division, multiplication, it is a shortcut. Just know it. In future, like looping, we can use it very easily and effectively. No need of much lines like complicated. It will be look like a simple. Okay, then final topic is f string. Okay, like I said, score equal to 0. Okay, score equal to 0. If you want to print like your score is, I want to add the score. Okay, I'm just adding the score. What happens? It throws an error. I said you read the len function will not lend the integer. It will not count as character. So you cannot concatenate string with an integer. Okay, for this only we are going to use the f string function. Okay, not that much complicated. Just add f writing after the brackets. If we add f here and use the forever blocks to write here, it will change this into the string functions. See, our score is 0 now. Just adding up f before this will show you, will just adding f before the statement will fetch you integer into a string easier manner. You can add anything in that, like your score is 0, you won 5 medals. Okay, 1 equal to 5. Our score is 0, but you won 5 medals. See, we have done it. We have made it. You all about to finish the second day. Most of the programmers in the world, 90% of the people will come through learning Python or any other languages, but they quit, not finish or complete the full course. But you have stepped into the second episode, like second series. Just keep going, keep rocking. That will make you awesome. Will differentiate with the 90% of the people who try to learn programming. Okay, thank you for watching. Until then, bye from Masan.